Hello everyone. Alrighty. Oh no, now I have a hiccup. Let's see. You could input the storage thing, but this is not a function that is heavily used, so it doesn't matter. Seems to be alright. Alright. This thing is still wrong, right? No, it's not. Okay. But this was strange. I guess we have to reset something. Did I not pay attention? Maybe that's the problem. We have enough. No, we don't have enough to. It's not a bug. I just pressed too fast and didn't recognize. I have only 4 energy. I cannot add more. But I shouldn't add more. That's the issue. find that out too. Uh-oh. That will be very hard to find. Oh my god. Okay. Hello, baby. Hello, hello. I'm doing fine. It wasn't that bad, but it was still very ridiculous. How about you? Hold on. I have to go AFK real quick. Won't be long. We are attacked. I can never sneak in. Oh! Oh! Okay, this bug is pretty idiotic. Alright, we will never see this again. Unless I make another table, but this is now the bug fix for... Picking up, no, bug, not enough energy, what was... Wait, did I even make a ticket for that? Picking up item added, yeah, this one. Bye-bye. Ooh, okay. At least one of the problems solved. This one we refactored, but I want to... Well... Seems to work. Top item, what does it do? Just adds it. I mean, all of them just adds it. I think there is nothing to worry about. And this is done. Okay, now let's fix this bug. When activating second Orbling, adding 2 items, not enough energy for third. Pressing escape to remove one item removes the index of 0. I can show. I can recreate this bug. Now if I go here, if I add items and press escape, it should be always like this. Right? You add, you remove from the bottom. Now if I do it the second time though, and this Orbling is done, I cannot add another one, but I can add wherever, and press escape now, removes the first one. I think there is an index problem because we don't have enough energy, but it still adds one. I think the bug report I did here, they are connected to each other. Let's see what can actually cause this. When we execute, maybe we have to reset this to 0. Is that the problem? I would expect some errors though. Clean up, respec. We are doing this already. So removing. How come we removed the top one? No, maybe adding local storage, respec costs. Maybe we are not setting this correctly. Okay, let's go. And I press space. Now we have to make a breakpoint here, and then space again. Trying to do this, but it shouldn't. Maybe that's the problem. Maybe this shouldn't be here, because it should be behind this. I think that's the problem. I'm doing it wrong. The wrong time. We have to check first. Hey yo, the next one you add, do we even have enough energy? If yes, remove the energy, update this thing, and then do this. What are we removing here? Yeah, okay. We have to do this. Now, I think this solves the problem. Okay, now I cannot go past. That's why. Cannot find. Item 1, of course not. Okay, we have to do a combination of things. No. What's going on? Cannot find it. What is in here? Respec 1, and we are setting it here though. Instead, we should go with this, right? Hold on, this was always wrong. Holy shit, okay. This was always wrong. This was always checking the first item, never the next ones. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. That's really bad. Okay, now it works. I'm sure of it. Yeah, cannot add the second one. Makes it too fishy, of course. Alright, we fixed it. Good. This means we can now tackle new things. Well, let's go to our board and find out what we should do next. Okay. Everything is clean. Going back here. So these two are done. Bug, not enough energy, but it was able. This was the same thing. Okay, so continue from Orbling Manager. This was like 2 days ago. Or from Friday, I'm not sure. Add branch index to Orblings, blah blah blah, yes. We did that. Make sure you clean respec slots. Put selected to 0. We are not cleaning the respec slots. How can I just do this? Wait, the cleanup should also do something else. Ah, I'm doing that already, okay. And then cleaning it up. Fine, okay. We are doing this now. Get energy back when exiting back from item choose window. We are doing that. But going from energy activation back to Orbling selection, the list is empty. And then releasing the Orbling list shows wrong number. I think we fixed this up. So we go here, we select one, do some shit, go back, it shows the correct thing, and now I'm releasing it. And it has the correct number here. This should be now our keys. Yeah, this works. Let's check our stash actually. If he's actually there. Place. Yeah, he's there. Okay. Doing that. Respec stuff, yes. Add item slots to change specs of inactive Orbling. Maybe need a specific item for this, maybe a favorite food. No. Add attribute for item activation, powering, blah blah blah. We have the changing of genus for now. Add more Orbling respec item features at some point. Add item slot to change respec of, yes, but We have a respec item now, right? This little fella. Respec. Am I ever using this anywhere? I think I'm not. Also comments. Respec features. Functions. Yeah, nothing is looking for it. No. Okay, so how do we do this then? Do I just add it? Have anything in mind? Now I have like a moral or ethnical question. Ethical. It's just a game, but still. I am doing this to have the Orblings be designed to be like these free spirits, and you don't actually catch them. They should feel like they are following you. But do we still have this feeling? I mean, yes, you can spend energy and then they're so in love with you that they follow you, and we can gamble so there is that chance thing and we can release them. But we can collect these Orblings and have them in our inventory forever. Isn't that cruel? I mean, what the hell, it's just a game. But am I missing my point with that? I shouldn't over-engineer this. But can I do something that makes it so that having this is not a problem? What do I do here? Do I just ignore this fact? And let it be how to say, a running joke in the community? Wouldn't be a problem for me. It's not cruel per se, but okay, so we have this system in place with the background that you do not catch Orblings in a traditional way, but it's more like they are following you because they like you or something, right? Or till this we are at the same page. Alright, so we can give power, we can release them, we can gamble, and that has the feeling that we do not enslave them. Alright, but now you go into the wilderness and collect inactive Orblings, or one of your Orblings gets inactivated in a fight. Now you have this item, right? This item now is in your possession. What if you never activate them? You just collect them because they... I don't know. It's funny. Yeah, I guess so. No, I don't want to force them being nice. Also, it doesn't matter if it's, you know, if you're capturing them, enslaving them, or being friends with them, it doesn't matter. But if I can make the feeling automatically always cohesive without falling into this, so without having loopholes, that would be nice. Design-wise, you know? Maybe with a lore explanation or something, I don't know. Maybe inactive Orblings are just inactive objects, and if you activate them, you induce them with a soul or something. So as objects, they are like empty husks anyway. So there is this we could do. Not that I have to do, but something to keep in mind. Is there anything mechanical I could do to prevent this? Of course, without forcing the player. I mean, one mechanical thing would be that the orbs just vanish after a while, but that's That's bad. We don't want to lose information or game progression. That would be like something for a hardcore run or something, but no. It's not fun. If I were to explain that these things are empty husks, then this thing doesn't apply anymore. I wrote they have to be active or something. Where did I? Was it here? Should be. Yeah, here. Make sure Orbling is not dark, but something like pulsating to indicate it does still perceive its surroundings. This was here to make sure that whatever you do, they can perceive and can decide why to follow you or not. So maybe this is not that necessary. Maybe they can perceive you through other means. Oh, hello. Welcome, welcome. What game I'm doing? Do you know Jade Cocoon 2? It's an older game. It's heavily inspired by that, but I'm doing my own version of it. Kinda. It's a monster collecting game in essence. But yeah, I think this thing is something to keep in mind, but it's not necessary to solve right now. Maybe I should do this though. Maybe not. Oh, come on. Maybe not because... what were we thinking? Because collecting inactive Orblings will be funny. Yeah, it's not that important, but if I wanted to follow a design choice, then I have to be persistent. And if I'm not, then I could change it to something more meaningful. But let's keep this in our back of our minds. So, effects of inactive Orblings, maybe need this item. So we need the specific item. I have it here. So how do we spend it? It's like... How should this go? Maybe I should open the other design sheet again. Was it this one? Yeah. So right now, we have the inactive Orbling, or active one, doesn't matter. We decide that we power it. That opens the item or respec window. But now respecking should be only initialized when we have that special item that allows us to respec. So if we cannot respec, why open the window to begin with? So should this respec thing, where first here, do this. Use orb. And then we have item slot, item slot, item slot. Do I have another window in between? Respec. Activate. Like that? Maybe I'm too early for choosing a UI thing, but as in I should just implement whatever the heck I want and then do a proper UI and think about menu points after that, but I don't know. So the thing what I'm right now thinking about is, we are here, right? We go here and we press on activate Orbling. Now I can choose to activate it. I press 1 and this respec window opens. But what if I don't have the respec item to initialize this? So I need to check this first. Or I could open this and gray everything out. How would I do this? Maybe I can solve it in the same window. It's only in blueprints. So if I have it here in the same window, how do I indicate that we are using a respec init? How would I even call that item? A respec item, but you can confuse it with these things, but I should just refer to it as respec item for now. And then let's say we did have one. Do I just automatically use it when I do this? How do I indicate that now you would also lose that? Do I have the number of respec items here? And then pressing this, it just removes one. And then I press enter and then it just permanently goes. And here's our fishy. I could do that. Why don't I do that? Add item to next slot. Do I use respec items for every item we add? Or just one? I mean, I cannot decide that right now because that's something to play around and look at how it feels, right? Okay, so we could... How do I filter other things here? You're doing it with this. Filter item ID array from respec feature. Okay. Ah, wait. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, uh-oh. I refactored this. This guy is not refactored. Maybe I also have to refactor these guys. If I refactored this right now, how much do I have to refactor? It's not that much. It's never used as something different. Oh well. Anyway, how are you guys doing? What are you guys doing? How was your day? This is problematic. Why check if this is a 0, then you have to also check how much respawn respec items you have. Could do that. Trying to decorate a photo frame and watching you. It was a bit complicated, but I managed stuff I wanted. Washing my... You have a car? I didn't know. What, you did? I didn't see. I have no recollection of this. What do you mean? Why? Yummy! Hello! Point at them and laugh! Lurker, lurker! Alright then. Hey Martin, are you still there? I have a question. How did you find this channel? Are you also a developer? Because this category is mostly only searched by developers. Hmm. Now we can use this. For this. How do I spend this? Maybe I can make a find first. Find first of ID. In item list. Inventory. Items. Item ID. Keys. Use. Each value. Plus. Local found. And item key, item maybe I shouldn't do this. This could lead to problematic cases where I use this. No, we should do this and maybe rename this. Find first of ID. And return key if found true, then do this, please. And then I mean, and do this, and then if equal true, get And here we are. This. How are you, Yami? Staying fresh? Nice. I see. Okay, now we can use it, but cannot regain it when we press escape, so let's first look if we can actually use it. Which means we can use respec for the first Orbling. Hoppa. What was the error? Filter item for ID. Respec. What does it say? Node filter item ID array. This thing. Wait. Oh, this is the function name. Okay. Graph. Add item to next slot. Warning, access none trying to read property local storage. Oh. Where? I think I know what's going on. Yeah, I'm so stupid. Okay, this, and this. Or maybe... Oh, this is fine. This should go here. Okay. So the first one we should be able to do, and the second one should block us right now. I add... Okay, and then I press enter. So we got our shroomy. Now when I press 1 and press enter, I should not be able to press enter here. Space. I should be able to press enter. Perfect. Now the only thing we need to do is, when we are removing by pressing escape, we need to get it back. We can for now leave this here. Remove from slots. Here. You have to add that item now. Okay, let's check this. So, first, carried items. Last one is a respec. I press 1, and when I press enter, 2 items should disappear. One is the respec one, and I don't see it anymore. So if I press escape now, we should be at 19 again. We are not. We got the respec back. Ah, we are just removing one. We are removing the other item when I press enter. I believe. No? Does not disappear? Maybe it disappears now. No. Doesn't go away. Interesting. You have 18 here. Place. Enter. Escape. Just removed here. Ah, I'm looking at the wrong thing. I should look here. 19. 17, 19. So 2 items do disappear and reappear. Okay, so this works now. We added now that too, already. Which solves the problem that you cannot, that you could spam respec, and we don't want that. Alright, let's clean this up. Part of the code, part of the crew, part of the ship. Something like that. Could use a function. Fine. Alrighty. Another thing solved. So add item slots to change specs of inactive Orbling. Maybe need a special item for this. Yes, and we need to make it visible now. Also, at some point, respec item ID respec be considered from -2 when respecing Orbling. It's a quality of life thing. So you don't always go back to your stash and then get some more of the items and then do that and blah blah blah. I really don't care. Like that. So we have to update this too now. Why is it called values with S? Yes. Why do I have to do this? I think we don't need this. Let's check. Yeah, makes no sense to refresh all of this. Orbling base name. Why would we do this? What's this? Update selection on page. No, you don't do that. Makes no sense here. And go away. Where did it get the activation? Okay, never mind. Whatever. Oh, we have it here. Alrighty. Oops. Works. Maybe another text like in use or not in use. But now we are just over engineering it. For now it doesn't matter. This UI is not for the purpose to be perfect right now. Just serves the purpose that I know what's going on, and that is that it is theoretically or even practically working. Alright. So this okay. Something later. Important for this. And using this, we can also find a way to utilize this into this. So it doesn't matter. Make an active Orbling's pulsate. Not sure anymore. Active Orblings can be put into device. We need an option to turn active Orblings inactive. Oh my god. Hold on. But where did I put that? Or did I? Doesn't matter. man, where was that again? Ah, there, incubator. Yeah, I think I will never be able to explain that they are having free will if I do this now. Well, doesn't matter. Then maybe I am going the Pokemon route here. Alrighty. I think next time I will tackle the merge points a little. Maybe find out what I will do next. I'm not sure if I should tackle merge energy and merging itself, but maybe I should. But a huge chunk of the Orbling Orbling obtaining system, or the Orbling item system, whatever we call it, is now done. These are now not that big of a thing, I think. Unless if I want to do this, then I have to refactor this thing to be the same as this, and at that point, why am I using this? Maybe this should be a map too. Anyway. Yummy, Bevy, and Martin, if you're still there. Thanks for tuning in. Everyone, thanks for watching. Thanks for the support. And I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.